Hello and welcome. Today we are turning our attention to a subtle yet powerful word that holds the key to expressing possibilities and permissions. The modal verb may. What makes may so intriguing? May is a modal verb that adds a touch of uncertainty, probability, or permission to our expressions. It is a word that invites us to explore the potential outcomes and navigate the realms of possibility. Let's dive into the multiple facets of may. First one is, it is used to express possibility and likelihood. It signals the potential occurrence of an event, suggesting a likelihood or chance. For example, it may rain later. It may rain later suggests the possibility of rain, creating a sense of anticipation. Similarly, she may join us for dinner. It represents the likelihood of her attendance, introducing an element of uncertainty. Next usage is for seeking and granting permission. It also wears the hat of a courteous seeker and granter of permission. It is the word that makes interactions more polite and respectful. Examples: may I use your computer? It is a polite way to seek permission, adding a touch of formality to the request. On the flip side, you may leave early today is a gracious way of granting permission. The next usage of modal verb may is making polite requests. May also steps into the role of a request maker, contributing to the art of making polite and considerate appeals. Examples: may I borrow your book? Or may I have a moment of your time? These both examples use may to make polite requests, fostering a sense of courtesy. It also used for expressing wishes and desires. It also lends itself to expressing wishes and desires, offering a nuanced way to articulate our hopes for the future. Examples: may your dreams come true. It is a wish expressing the desire for someone's dream to be realized. It adds a touch of formality and goodwill to the sentiments. May your journey ahead be filled with boundless opportunities and endless joy. Practice exercise. It may snow tomorrow, so be sure to bundle up if you are planning to go out. May I have your permission to access the shared drive for the project documents? May I kindly request that you lower the volume of the music? It's a bit loud for the neighbors. May your journey ahead be filled with boundless opportunities and endless joy. So it's all about today's lecture. It's a closer look at the multifaceted modal verb may. Whether it's signaling possibilities, seeking permissions, making requests, or expressing wishes, may adds a layer of sophistication to our language. Thank you for joining with us.